Okay, so I'm kind of mad right now. Well, not kind of mad, I'm really mad right now. Because we all know about Jelena. But guess what? I am mad at the Alina part. I still love the J part. But the Alina part I'm mad at. She asked Justin to stop doing the One Less Lonely Girl tradition at his concerts. She ruined my dreams. Sad. So I don't know if he's going to stop doing the One Less Lonely Girl tradition or not. But I hope he doesn't, because it's my dream to be the one less lonely girl. And if he does stop, then my dreams won't come true. Well, my dream is to meet him or go to his concert, because no, I haven't been to his concert yet. But yeah, tears. Okay.